In this video, I'm going to share with you how to navigate the influencer training program. So this board contains a couple of different activities that you'll be doing on different days to train as a social media influencer or just to train your social media marketing skills. And before I start getting into the training, I would like to share with you some information about myself. My name is Jean-Edis Benekio, and I'm from the African Boss. And these are my information in case you'd like to connect and network. And so, before I start, also want to tell you that these are lists. So everything that appears, different lists here, and each of these contain a card, and the card also contain checklists where there are like different activities that you can do for that specific card, and you might have some different attachments. We'll go through that later, but that's a quick introduction. And so this training goes through, it's a digital marketing training, and these are different courses that you'll be taking. And if you go through each card, you'll be able to see a link that takes you to the course, and from there you can take the course. So the goal of all this is to train you and to help you learn more about working effectively online and to build an online community and provide a great experience to yourself and companies interested in getting featured on your platform. So in other words, we want to get you paid online. And so these are different courses, and these are different sections that should be included in your web page as an influencer, different stuff that you want people to know about you. So like different analytics, and I can use this example of one of our influencers here. So this is the hero section where it just says about your name, your story, the niches, like the different industries you work with, how much revenue you can generate for them, different brands you've worked with. And so like this is what the web page should tell people who want to work with you. And so that's what is included in these. And so the actual training program, it's a 10 to 25 hours training program, and it will go through these. So there will be a 1-week training, and after that it's going to focus on what kind of online personality you would like to be. So maybe you're not happy with what you're doing right now. You're probably like posting for family and friends on your social media, but you would like to become like an entrepreneur or a blogger or any kind of personality online, but you don't know how. So that's what the training will go through. And you'll be able to learn who's your audience now. And you also learn who you want your future audience to be. So if you have like family and friends on your social media platforms right now, and you would like in the future to have 10,000 people who are purchasing clothes from you, or you have your own clothing line, and that's the future audience you would like, it will take you through how to go about that, and also how to create an influencer web page and what sections you should have. And these are different activities. On each day, there is different activities that you can do. So like on the first day, you could like post one story, or maybe like on Instagram or Facebook or wherever your favorite platform is. And after doing that, you should like screenshot your analytics just to remember like, oh, on Monday I'll get like 500 people look at my story. And yeah, then we could have like a 15 minutes meeting, accountability meeting, basically where we go through what happened during the day and just discuss to keep you accountable, because some people, if they're not accountable, then they don't progress. So these are different activities. Like on day one, you could create your own hero section for your web page. Basically create like what's the best picture that shows you, and just create a short description about yourself. And so it keeps going on day 2, day 3, but basically that's how you navigate this board. And on the final day, there will be like different articles that talk about how to make money online that you'll be reading. And also we could have another 30 minutes meeting, accountability meeting, just to go through the week and to see what has happened since you first started the training and at the end of the training, to see if it has helped you. But these meetings only apply to people who are interested in working further with us, or who are interested in someone keeping up with them. So it's up to you to do a meeting, but I would advise to schedule meetings for that. And you have like a link where you can schedule your meeting. So thank you so much, and hope this video has helped you learn about how to navigate this, and good luck on your training. You'll see different links on each of the tabs where you can access your training. All right, thank you.